This is our double layer pumpkin pie. It's a no-bake dessert with a cheesecake layer on the bottom, pumpkin on the top. This is a great alternative to traditional pumpkin pie. It is super easy. Let me show you how to make it. Start with 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, and then you're going to take just a tablespoon of evaporated milk, and you're going to mix that together until it's all incorporated. Add in a tablespoon of sugar, and then you're going to fold in 1.5 cups of whipped topping, and just gently fold over under until it's all incorporated, and then put this in the bottom of a graham cracker crust and just spread it evenly on the bottom. Now you're going to use the rest of that can of evaporated milk, and you need 2 packages of instant vanilla pudding mix, and you're just going to stir that together. It's going to get nice and thick in consistency, and then you're going to be able to add in the pumpkin, and this makes it a really nice creamy pumpkin top layer. This is just a can of pumpkin puree. You're going to put this into the vanilla pudding mixture along with 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. This really makes it a great pumpkin pie. It gives you all those pumpkin flavors and makes it smell so good. You're going to mix this until you get a good consistent color, and you're going to pour this on top of the cream cheese layer and just spread this out evenly, and then you're going to refrigerate this for about 4 hours. So be sure to like and follow for more easy recipes.